This is an introduction to left-hand limits and right-hand limits. So before we talked about the full limit, but you can separate it into its parts. So if you put this little minus next to the number for the limit, then what it is giving us is the left-hand limit. So if you have some function and it says the limit as x approaches a from the negative, there's our a. So all we're going to do is focus on the left side, and that's it. So on this one, our limit would equal L, because that's what we're approaching. On the next one, same thing. We're going to approach 4, but only from the left. So when it says negative, that's the direction you come from. So negative, come from that direction. So we're going this way on each of these. So coming in this way, what number am I approaching? 6, correct. So as I approach 4 from the left, I get 6. And then this one is the same thing. There's my 1. So as I approach from the left, you can see I'm going to negative infinity. And there you have. So right hand, it just means you're coming from the positive side. So on each of these, you want to think that direction, that direction, that direction. So coming in from the right, I am also approaching L. Coming in from the right this way, I'm approaching 2. Let me move this up a bit. Just redo it. Coming in this way, I'm approaching 2. And again, coming in this way, you can see the graph goes up to infinity. So I'm going to infinity. So that's the left and that's the right hand limit. So from the left, if it's a minus, from the right, if it's a plus. So now if we put them together, we get our limit. So the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to L if and only if these are true. So if this is true, then each of these is true. But in order for this to be true, both of these have to be true. So what that means is coming in from the left and the right, you have to approach the same number. So coming in from the left here, we know the limit as x approaches 4 from the left is equal to 6. And the limit as x approaches 4 from the right is equal to 2. And since they are not the same, that means our limit does not exist. So from the left and the right, they both have to approach the same number for this to work. And so it's a quick way to find out if you actually have a limit at that value. It's our default. So the same thing here, the limit as x approaches 1 from the left, and the limit as x approaches 1 from the right. See, we're approaching 1 here, right? So this would be, again, negative infinity. And this would be positive infinity. So again, it is a D and E. And that is your left and right hand limits.